ass nigga.
Oh, thank you. That's such a compliment. Mm-hmm.
Shut the fuck up.
Make me.
Faggot. Get the fuck on, bro.
I'll follow you too. Love you.
You're going to hell. You're going to hell. You're going to hell. Get ready for hell. What the? Get ready for hell. Follow me on Instagram, TV Great.
What's that, Baton Rouge?
You faggot ass nigga, man. Shut your bitch ass up, man. Faggot ass nigga, man. Get the fuck on, man.
You trying to link with me one day?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna be in Atlanta by like September. You trying to come there? Alright, bet. I'm gonna text you my number.
How old are you?
How old am I?
Yeah.
I'm 19.
So you know how to keep secrets?
Yeah,
That's a bet. You want my number?
sure. Well, no, you take my number. I'm doing something right now.
Fuck, nah, you need my number. So.
Okay. Just stand up. Be a man. Stand up.
This nigga is
Ooh.
gay as a motherfucker, bro.
Oh, I love that. Oh,
What?
I see you. I see you.
Chill out.
Ooh. You gonna shoot your phone? Wise decision. Love that. We love that. Ooh. Hey, put your shirts down. Put them down. Take your shirts off. Wait, how old are you? Hold on, wait. How old are you?
I'm old enough.
Let me chill out. Are you gay?
Not for real, no. Not no, I mean, no. Oh, shit.
DL.
Plus size people are some of the best people in the whole
Hell
world.
no.
Okay, let's not be disrespectful, bitch. Hey, chill out, nigga. Hey, cut this shit out. Hey, shut up. And what I said was, hey girls, so today's YouTube video is going to be another monkey video. Now, in this video, I am going to be just switching my voice, or I'm honestly going to be trolling people. Like, I'm not going to be switching my voice up. Well, I'm going to be switching my voice up, but sometimes, you know, I'm just going to be, Before we get into this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. And also, subscribe, girl. Just go ahead and do it now. Like, I'll wait. Yeah, right here. Wherever it's at. It's somewhere right here. Yeah, subscribe. Thank you. It's free. Now let's get into the video. Oh, girl, let me say something. Hold up, before we get into it. Girl, this wig is just for fun. I had this for like 2-3 years, bitch. Like, I got this back in like 2018. So it's girl. Okay, don't try and clock me in the comments. And I have no makeup on. These are my real, nope, no, nothing. Everything is me. I'm fish. Yeah, me. I'm not fishy, but I'm fish. Okay. Hey. Oh, should I shave my mustache? Okay, no, I'm gonna shave my mustache right quick. Give me a second. Alright guys, I'm back. So let me start recording. Now. Let me get over here. Hello? This bitch blocked me. Oh no, he did not. Okay. Hello? 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 How you doing? Rude. They just rude. Hello?
Bro, is you a man?
Are you a woman? Hello?
We took our shit and keep it solid.
Ass. Hello?
You a gay? You gay? Why are you doing this?
Are you straight?
Yes, I'm straight, you faggot.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Weird as
That's so
hell.
sweet.
Yeah, man. It's
Let me
not-
tell you something. Let me hold up. Ass ham. Ass ham. You little egg. Bitch, come. No, come to the. I don't
How
cuss.
is
I
you
don't.
gay?
I don't.
How
I
is
don't.
you
I
gay?
don't.
That's what I don't get.
You said, how am I gay? How are you? How are you straight? Ask yourself that question. How are you straight?
Because it's normal, but let me ask you. Do you like dicks up your ass?
I love it. You wanna try
No,
it?
truthfully, I'm not
You wanna no, do you wanna try it though? I'll put my dick up your ass. You wanna try it?
Nah, fool, I'll shoot you, I'll torture
You'll
you.
shoot
I'll
me.
kill you.
Wise choice. Oh,
Hey, go to my,
babe, you might
go
wanna
to my
just
country
get a
in
new
the
phone
Middle
if
East. Go to
you
my
wanna
country
spit on
in
it.
the
Yeah,
Middle
that's
East. Go to
nasty.
Iraq.
Oh, girl, is he in the bathroom?
Go to Iraq and just like that.
Are
Go to
you
Iraq
in the
just
bathroom,
like
love? Like, what's
that.
going on
Stop
here?
talking shit about America, you stupid fucking
America.
bitch.
What is going on here? Y'all are going to jail.
What's going on? Y'all are going to jail. Period.
Dude, ugh.
Jail. Oh my God, did y'all hear that? Something's wrong with him. Luckily, I'm very much comfortable in my skin and I don't give a fuck what nobody has to say about me. Hey, what's up? You know what? I'll tell you, I done seen it all. I done seen it all. You better sing. Yes. Boy, shut up, you can't sing. Hey, cutie. I know he is not asleep for real. When you wake up, you're gonna like boys. Mwah. Hello? You what?
What's up with you?
Nothing at time. What's going on with the camera? Like, where your face at? It's giving me like grease ball. Like, what's going on? Where your light at? Turn the light on.
I'm in the dark.
Turn your light on. Turn your light on. You better listen. Oh, baby, it's the Android. It's the Android for me. What kind of phone you got, babes? Good night. Bye-bye. Don't. Oh, hey. Don't be smelling at me. Hello, as time. I'm gonna follow him. Oh, look at him. He's cute. Okay, you know what? No. Guess what? If you don't get your little young ass off this damn app, what is wrong with you? Go to sleep. Oh my God. Not the little boy. Hey. Why do I think I know him? Oh shit. I think I know him. Hey. Punk. What's going on? I know that's right. Oh, that's what's up. Ask him. Where your face at?
I don't got no face.
The shit that I deal with. You said what?
On face, I don't got no face.
You what? You basic.
I said I don't got no face on faces. Feel me?
I don't. Where you from?
I'm
Florida.
from Georgia. How about you?
Georgia.
Yeah.
Let me chill out. You gay?
Not for real, no. Not no. I mean no. I'm tripping.
DL. I'm gonna follow you because you my type. But no. You light skin.
No, I'm brown skin, dark skin.
You dark skin. What's your Instagram?
What you need all that for?
Because I'm gonna follow you.
I don't think you follow me. I'm 14. Okay.
Don't want it. Don't want it at all. Hey, Dylan. I like your hat. It's cute. Can I borrow it? You fucking rude ass bitch. Nice dick. What do people get out of that though? Like, what do people get out of like jerking their dick off on monkey? I don't know. I never got that. Hello, can I have some of that? Oh, you gonna act like you don't hear me? You nasty ass shrimp face bitch.
Yo.
What's up?
Hey, are you trying to?
Am I what?
Are you trying to?
Am I trying what?
Suck this dick.
Maybe. Ew, no, he was. Hello? He got a titty on instead of. That's funny. Tickle it.
Everyone's boring on there, aren't they? Oh, you're just like a girl, mate. You got no personality. You're a goner.
Me not habla inglés.
Hey, take your time and talk your shit.
Who are you talking to? Hello? Put your dick out. Let me see it.
What?
How old are you?
23.
You 23. Where you from?
I'm from Cali.
Everybody from fucking Cali. God damn.
But I'm in Texas right now.
Ooh, you trying to fly me out?
Huh?
You trying to fly me out? Hey. I like your hair. You rude ass bitch.
What's good?
What's up, daddy?
That? You just met me, like.
I mean, what's up? I mean, ask him.
I got you.
Oh, don't fucking lie to me. If you ain't gonna ask him, don't ask him, ho. Hey, Smooth. What happened?
What's up?
You look like Pop Smoke. Ask him. Take off the glasses.
So what?
Take off your glasses. Now take off your pants. And I'm like, how old are you?
19.
You speak up when you're talking to me.
19.
Oh, okay. What's your name again?
Molly.
You got a girlfriend, Molly?
Nah.
You want one? Hey, follow me back.
Wait. Just add me on the Snapchat then.
You add me.
Add me on Snap. Add Tom.
You add me. Is Darius123.
So what?
Bye. Hello?
It's good.
Well, let me see your face. Oh, he is cute. Oh, he was cute. Papa. Boy, bad. Yeah. Jaden. What's up, Jaden?
What's up?
You is cute.
Thank you.
You welcome. Where you from?
New York.
Wait, ask him.
I got you.
Oh, he did it too late. Damn. He was cute. Hello? You know what? Oh my God. It's just if I get demonetized, I'm sorry. Wow. God. What's up, Sean? Have some manners. All I said was hey, but okay. Ooh. Hey, Daddy. What's up? Ask him.
How you change your voice like
Ask time. I'm gonna show you. He's cute.
Gay ass nigga. Get
Oh,
the fuck
thank
on.
you. That's such a compliment.
Shut the fuck up.
Make me.
Faggots. Get the fuck on, bro.
I'll follow you too. Mwah. Love you. Hey. Too gay? I'm sorry. What's up, toxic?
That's a man.
Oh, Lord. Here we go. Indonesia. Hola. Oh, my God. No, man. I'm sorry. Oh.
Hey, what's up?
You was cute at time. Bitch, I know you hear me calling you. I'm talking to you. Hello. Fucking faggot. What's your name? Ask him. Bitch, don't be rude. I know you hear me talking to you. Fucking asshole. Hello?
Can you answer it honestly though?
Ask him. What's up?
Alright, so listen. I was talking to this girl, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just stopped talking to her today. So she posted on TikTok while I'm getting ready to ask you to be my girlfriend and shit. And she posted on TikTok, if I like your comment, I think you're attractive. So
First of all, are y'all together? Like, are y'all official?
we were on the verge of
Baby, answer the question. Are you guys official?
no.
Okay, then fuck her. If she doesn't want to be with you and, you know, claim you, good night. On to the next. So, yeah. But keep her around because, you know, good pussy. So, you're welcome. Hey, Jaden.
Hey, Papi Chulo. Add more time, Papi.
You smoke gas?
You smoke that weed?
Girl, I'm about to get you on the time. Hey, Georgia.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
You like sex?
Oh, thank you. Please, wait,
You like
not.
sex?
Yeah, you got some money?
You wanna see my body?
Not yet. Hold up. You got some money?
I have a big dick, black gold.
Okay.
Because I was like, yo, that stuff is hell. And she's like,
This bitch. I knew he was gonna do that shit. I knew it. Oh my gosh. Damn. Please, please stop. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh. Okay. Well, I heart you. No, baby, I can't ask him, but hey, Ashton.
how you know my name?
It's on your monkey app. It's on your
My God.
At time, I have a question.
I should be offline, King and shit. What's up?
I see. Do you have a fat cock?
Do I have credit one? What'd you say?
Do you have a fat cock?
Like a cacao? Like that?
No. Oh, you a jokester.
Nah, jokes. I thought you were Lil Nas X for a minute and shit.
Wait, can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Hold on, repeat that. You thought I was who?
Lil Nas X in that motherfucker for a minute. I'm like, goddamn.
Are you fucking serious? I don't see it. Do I look like Lil Nas X?
Oh,
I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm over it. Everybody keeps saying that. I don't look like that man. He's fine as hell. And I don't like him. Hey, can I ask you a question? Do I look like Lil Nas X? He look like a nigga I used to fuck with. Oh my god. Answer the fucking question, bitch. Isaiah. Where your face at? Oh damn, he fine. Hold up. Ask time. Wait. Follow me. Ooh, wait. No. Damn, he was fine. Hey, yo, what's up?
Yo, bro. Who are all in the room with you? Let me see.
Huh?
I don't discriminate, bro. Hey, ask him something.
Little boy, go to sleep. I mean, I'm a fat ass kid. I'm sorry. Hello? I know it. Oh, hey, what's up? Even you know what? It's not a good night for me. Hello?
Oh, that's so fucking man. That's so fucking man. you look ugly as shit too.
Still Papa
No, don't lie to yourself now. You can't call me that. Hello? I like white chocolate too. How are you? Ask him. Something. What's your name? Zachary? What's your name? Bob?
No.
Cody?
No.
Zach? Harry? Aaron? Oh, I like that name. Am I cute? You what? What's the answer, boy? You digging it, huh? You digging it. I know I'm cute. Just, it's okay. It's okay. I want to say a girlfriend. How old are you? You what?
I'll do 17.
Damn. Well, it was nice meeting you. I almost fell out the seat, bitch. Damn, I want to talk to him. Hey, the clean. Big crippin', huh?
You're a bop.
I'm a bop. Huh? My niggas that'll shoot for me.
What the fuck, nigga? You going to hell. You're going to hell. Get ready for hell.
What the?
Get ready for
Follow me
hell.
on Instagram, DP Grip. Follow me on Instagram, DP Grip.
That people still say that?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
It's good.
Nothing. What you doing?
Shit, nothing. I just got home.
Oh, ask him. Oh.
Oh.
Am I cute?
Yeah.
Really? Rate me.
Like 8.9.
Jabri, hi.
Oh my God, get your faggot ass out of here, get on brand little dog.
I love that word. Say it again for me.
Oh, hell nah, bro. Get out of here, little dog. You probably gonna be sweat. Put on a dump somewhere. Get on somewhere.
Ew. Anyways, but yeah, people still say that. You going to hell because you gay. That's crazy. Hey. Yeah. Maybe lock the door and turn the lights down low. Get the fuck out of here. I bet you got a big dick, don't you?
Ain't no way.
You got a big dick, don't you? I know he does. I know he does. Look, you can tell by him. Look, that motherfucker.
You a nigga, bitch.
You better watch your mouth,
Kill
bitch.
yourself, man.
Oh my God, kill yourself. Mental health, guys. Stay strong. Hello?
What's good?
What's good? Awesome.
Hello.
What happened?
Nigga, female.
At time.
Nah, fuck all that. You said nigga.
Oh, you from Brooklyn?
Huh?
You from Brooklyn?
Nah.
You from Bronx?
Nah.
Where you from?
Nah, I'm not from New York.
Where you from?
I'm from Philly.
Oh, from Philly niggas. Yeah, I do talk like that. Okay. I'm from the Bronx.
You still ain't tell me what you is, though.
What you mean what I am?
A nigga is conflicted. Is you a nigga?
What do you think I am? What do I look like?
I don't fucking know.
Is it a good, I don't know, or like, you know. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Show your face. Show your face and I'll tell you.
Hold on.
Damn, he is fine, girl. Hey. Nah, but I'm a dude.
You's a dude.
Yeah, I'm a dude. If I was a girl, would you fuck with me though?
Hold on. That's on.
If I was a girl, would you fuck with me?
Hold on.
What you mean, hold on?
How old are you?
How old am I?
Yeah.
I'm 19.
So you know how to keep secrets.
Yeah,
That's a bet. You want my number?
sure. Well, no, you take my number. I'm doing something right now.
Fuck, nah, you get my number. So,
Okay. I'll remember it. Go ahead.
alright, 267.
Now I got a boyfriend.
What are you wearing?
What is he doing? Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. What's that?
Oh, you gay. Oh, you gay. Oh, you gay.
Get jiggy with it. Let me stop. I can't wait. I got me a boyfriend, y'all. I got me a. Hey. Oh, can I get a piece? Suck it like a dick. Suck it. Do it for me. Oh, that's hot. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up? Oh, he was rude. Hey, what's up? You was cute at the time. You got a girlfriend? Oh, I was about to say. How old are you? Okay, follow me. Where you at? What city you in? Ohio. What's out there? Do you travel?
Sometimes.
Where you been?
Florida. Mexico.
Oh, he be traveling all across the world. Okay. You trying to link with me one day?
I'm trying to what?
You trying to link with me one day?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna be in Atlanta by like September. You trying to come there? All right, bet. I'm gonna text you my number. All right. Yeah. Me. You keep coming back. It's like God want us to talk. Add time. Bitch, add time. What are you scared of? I'm not gonna bite you. Okay, what's the question?
How do you change, like, from high to low?
I can't explain it to you, but I can just do it. I've always been talking like this, but I can go higher and I can go deeper.
So you can be like, hey, and then like, what you want?
Hey, what you want? Hey, chill out, bro. What's going on, nigga? I mean, like, it's nothing to me. Like, I like your little chair. But you ugly as fuck, bro. I mean, I'm playing. I'm not, no, I'm serious. You ugly. I'm playing. You cute. You is fine as hell. Yeah. Which you got YouTube? You watching YouTube? So add time right quick. I'm gonna get you to subscribe. I'm about to do I'm recording you right now. Like I'm doing a YouTube video. So you're gonna see yourself subscribe to Darius Scott.
You can see this.
Thank you. All right. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you was cute, boy. If you see this. Hey.
You a man?
What?
Ain't nobody seen
Excuse you?
What's up?
That's the audacity. Hello?
Huh?
What's up? Add time.
Huh?
Add time, nigga. Hey, Devontae.
Do you die?
Yes.
Okay. What's up with you?
Nothing. Add time.
I'm straight. I'm sorry.
Whack.
I'm not there.
He's whack. He's straight. Ew. So basic. A lot, boo. Hey, what's up?
It's so good.
You said I suck dick. Well, yes, I do.
I said,
Very well.
yeah.
Yes.
No.
What's that Baton Rouge?
Faggot ass nigga, man. Shut your bitch ass up, man. Fag ass nigga, man. Get the fuck on, man.
Kevin, please. We're not going. No, sit down. It's not gonna work. Plus size people are some of the best people in the whole
Hell
world.
no.
Okay, let's not be disrespectful, bitch. Hey, chill out, nigga. Hey, cut this shit out. Hey, shut up. And what I said was, just stand up. Be a man. Stand up.
This nigga is
Ooh.
gay as a motherfucker, bro.
Oh, I love that. Oh,
What?
I see you. I see you. Ooh. You gonna shoot your phone? Wise decision. Love that. We love that. Ooh. Hey, put your shirts down. Put them down. Take your shirts off. Wait, how old are you? Hold on, wait. How old are you?
I'm old enough.
Okay. Well, at time. Which one is it? He's so confused. Hey, what's that Bronx Queen?
Goodbye, ass nigga.
Okay, watch her mouth, bitch. I said, hey, Jason.
You a boy. You a boy.
Yeah, my boy. Add time. You like it.
I'm not adding time.
Yes, you are. You're gonna add time, bitch. I'm not adding time. He looked drunk. Wait a minute, bitch. Wait a minute. Spread them cheeks, nigga. Sorry about that, y'all. Whoever's trans and y'all watching me, I'm so fucking sorry. People are just so inconsiderate and it's disgusting. Y'all, why is it always the cute niggas? They don't know how to work the app. They don't know how to work the app. Let me suck your dick. Come here. Well, that was the end of this video. Ow. It itchies. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I really did have fun. I love doing things like this. Actually, I love, like, people think this stuff hurt my feelings. It really does not. I'm more confident in myself and I'm not insecure anymore. Like, honestly, this app helped a lot, honestly, because I'm so used to saying, I'm so used to hearing it, like, oh, you're a faggot, oh, you're a trainee, oh, this and that, da-da-da, you're going to hell, da-da-da. Bitch, we heard that our whole life, baby. It's nothing new, okay? And half of y'all that do say something like that or say stuff like that, y'all down low too. Girl, we get you. We know you, okay? Anyways, like I was saying, this is the end of the video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment down below and tell me everything that you want to see. And also, please subscribe to be a part of the Scotties. Girl, you know, you want to, like, stop playing with me. What's up? No, I'm playing. But anyways, also hit that bell notification so you get every time that I post. And yeah, bye girl.